have you ever heard of Farnham Repair Café?
Repair Cafe? No.
No, I haven't.
I haven't.
No. No, I haven't.
No. Okay, so basically what it is it's a monthly thing, the second Saturday of each month. And what they do is you go there with broken appliances or gadgets and you work with them to fix it, and it's free of charge, but it's on a donation system. Would you be interested in it personally?
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah?
Yeah, well, if it's free,
Yeah.
anything free is cool with me, I guess, yeah.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Yeah, sure. I got loads of broken stuff, so.
Possibly, yeah.
It sounds like quite interesting.
Maybe, yeah.
Well, if I had a broken item, I suppose that I would give it a shot.